Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you, thank you, thank you, as always. This time for tuning in to my 2917th edition of Short Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. And these are educational videos. The education in these videos is the art of technical analysis. And I promise you, I am the reigning king of this fine art, because it's not a science. I am the reigning king of this fine art. I read these charts well. Let me show you what's going on here. Please remember, very risky, 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 risky. Never trade without your protective stops. Always put protective stops in first. For trading on Friday, the day before the 3-day holiday weekend, Memorial Day, and happy Memorial Day to everybody out there. I hope you have great barbecues, a great time. But market-wise, we called for the holiday reversal to kick in on Tuesday. We didn't see it Monday, but we did see it starting Tuesday. The holiday reversal did kick in, right? Boom, boom, boom. Got down to the bottom. My OMNI goes neutral and tells me that Wall Street's going to find this as support, and the holiday reversal is now over. The holiday reversal, we're going to black it out. It's over. We had it. It's done. And now we can black it out. So, the holiday, you know what? Let's make that a little thicker. Hold on a moment. Get back here, you. That's better. Holiday reversal is done. We're going to find support. And Wall Street's going to come in and buy the dips. That's what I'm reading from the OMNI going neutral after this quick drop right down to a support zone and an average. And now the holiday's over. So is the reversal. Support should be coming in. However, we never trade without stops in case we're going to be wrong. Remember, my OMNI went neutral. There's all Oscarism if I'm getting long on Friday. If you're getting long with me, it's all Oscarism. OMNI shelved us for the day. But I think Wall Street's coming in. I grew up on Wall Street. That's our spot. I think they're coming in. What else do we have to look at? Well, check this out. You crazy crypto fans, look at Bitcoin just gone wild. Bitcoin now. In last night's video, all the crazy talk about the downside. Okay, we had a holiday reversal. I had to talk about the downside. Out the window that goes. But I never spoke about the downside in Bitcoin. In fact, in last night's video, I mentioned Bitcoin would be the best trade on the board. The best buy on the board today was Bitcoin. Look at today's rally, right? Heading to my 121 target. Go, Bitcoin, go. And then there's this. Check this guy out. Look at Ethereum. Remember I showed you last night we had a bull flag and we're about to break out of that bull flag? Well, look what happened, kids. Let me blow that up for you. Look what happened. Out of the bull flag, it is moving along with Bitcoin, of course. Ethereum looking good here too now. Bitcoin looking good. And I'm telling you, they are about to come in and buy this thing in the S&P. Put your stops in case we're wrong. The OMNI's neutral. This is Oscarism telling you, looks like we're going higher. They're going to come in and buy it either tonight or sometime during the day on Friday. Traders, I hope that helps. Please leave your comments below this video. I always return your comments personally. Please like and share these videos around the internet. It would help me so much to help others get a little higher on the algorithms on YouTube, on Google, and it'll help me, help you, and we can together help others. Please like and share these videos. Get them around the internet. And then remember, stop, sir. Emotions are rock and roll, traders. Thank you so much for tuning in. Be safe out there. Remember what I just showed you in these markets and on these charts. And make sure you join me at livewithoscar.com. Have a great Friday and a fantastic Memorial Day. 3-day weekend. Enjoy yourselves, kids.